Okay, some breaking news coming in as well. This is the latest update on India and specifically Maharashtra's war against COVID. Maharashtra is now India's biggest COVID hotspot and it is continuing to witness an alarming surge in the cases. It's not just the capital city of Mumbai now, but neighboring Pune and Raigad and Thane have also been witnessing sharp surge in cases. The state itself has crossed 10 lakh mark and the emerging trend worry continues as the festive season approaches. And with rising cases, in fact, there is also the risk, of course, of running out of health facilities. My colleague Disha Shah, who's been tracking Maharashtra's war against COVID, joins us for more. Now, Disha, we just heard the numbers as far as the overall COVID tally of Maharashtra is concerned and Mumbai is concerned. But just tell us about, firstly, whether the health infrastructure has been able to cope up with this rising surge in cases.
Well, Aarti, if you talk about the numbers here in concern, we have just calculated the first 10 days of the September. If you talk about the major affected cities in Maharashtra, that's Mumbai, Pune and Raigad. And if you just throw some numbers here for our viewers, Mumbai recorded 18,000 plus cases in the first 10 days of September. Pune recorded 45,000 plus cases in September. And Raigad recorded over 8,600 plus cases in September. So this, of course, we are talking about the COVID cases. And this surge you are looking at particularly after Ganesh Chaturthi festival has ended. And here the numbers are significant here because in the month of August we did not really see that kind of a surge. For instance, Mumbai was recording on an average about 1,000 to 1,200 cases every day. But in the first 10 days of September, we are looking at that cases going up about 1,800 to 2,000 plus cases every day. And this is because of the, post Ganesh Chaturthi festival that we have seen. Talking about the health infrastructure, now that has become the biggest concern because if you talk about the ICU beds and ventilator beds, that is running into a huge shortage here. We can go by the numbers that has been put up by the authorities themselves. Particularly about Mumbai, there are only about 45 ventilator beds available here in the city of Mumbai. So that is one of the significant number that we are throwing here for our viewers. As far as ICU beds are concerned, only about 85 ICU beds are available for the city of Mumbai, which is recently recording over and about 2,000 plus cases. If you talk about Pune, which is a COVID hotspot in the entire country, there are only about 32 ventilator beds available for the entire district. So, of course, here we are talking about a huge shortage. And the concern does not end here, Aarti, because here we are looking at more festive season coming up with more relaxations, of course, as part of Unlock 4.0. We are looking at an increase in the cases, and with more festivities around the corner like Diwali, the civic administration is only looking at an increase in the cases, but the health infrastructure remains to be a complete mess even as we speak.
Right, Disha, and there's also reports coming in of a shortage of oxygen as well, especially in hospitals of MMR and other districts in Maharashtra beyond Mumbai.
Well, that's right. That is also another, area of concern at this point in time, specifically if you look at the rural locations, Aarti, because when we spoke to the Maharashtra state government officials, what they told us that as far as other cities are concerned, like in MMR, you're looking at cities of Bhiwandi and Kharghar for that matter. In outskirts, of course, you're looking at in Marathwada region, there specifically in rural areas, in smaller hospitals and even in bigger hospitals for that matter, lack of oxygen supply is one of the issues that is cropping up because they are not being able to match the demand of the rising cases. They are not really getting those oxygen cylinders on time is what we are being told. So that is also another area of concern because here we are looking at a lot of patients who are critical, a lot of patients who do need that oxygen supply, but most of the hospitals are now showing that shortage is what we are being told.
Right, Disha, thanks so much for joining us. We're going to keep a close track on Maharashtra, which is facing a number of woes and huge concerns ahead of Diwali and the Navratri season, of course, battling not just a rise in cases but also an infrastructure crunch. We're going to bring you now the latest update on the situation at the LAC. Here's some breaking news coming in.